Hey guys, what's happening? Hey buddy. Which one are you in school? Oh, how's it going, man? Good to see you. Hey guys.
You get
this tour came all the way from Oklahoma today, didn't it? Yep. So I heard you ride, huh? Got a box out. What are you riding?
I ride a Yamaha Banshee actually.
Oh, awesome.
Yep.
Fly.
Yep.
Fantastic. You know what this is?
I do not.
How you doing? Doc.
That's Doc.
How are you? Nice to
He's
meet
the one that
you.
makes all the bikes look good. What's that shirt you wear?
I wear an adult small.
Adult small? Okay, I'll have to get it. Can you get an adult small for me? So.
we were gonna come surprise you guys, and you started walking over at the moment, but
This is an amazing facility.
Oh, thanks. You guys came all the way up to East
This
Coast?
is the only reason we came is for this.
so what's your hometown again?
I live in Canada, Oklahoma.
How about how many hours did you guys fly to get here?
We flew about 4 hours.
You came quite a trip, man, quite a trip. And how old are you again?
I'm 14.
14. Big fan of us online here, so we wanted to come surprise the guy.
Banshee right here. Put that on your bumper. And I got your colors. This came all the way from Oklahoma. We said the capital site is colors here. So it's a little initiation thing we do here. These colors, here, you gotta hold it.
Yeah.
These colors are my flag, my cross, and my church. These colors don't run, and these colors don't hide. And if they hit the ground, even in a fight, peel them off with a knife, dipped in grease. Okay?
Okay.
It's yours, brother. Wear it with pride.
You're right, bro.
So the back tire will fight enough to make it turn over.
So our friends from Oklahoma. So we had some friends visit all the way from Oklahoma. We thought we'd give them the full tour here of the place, down to the first floor, which is technically not really open yet. We're still working on it, but it's coming out pretty good, as you can see. With the pool table, the foosball tables, ping pong tables. This is the Harley room in here, for obvious reasons. What do you guys think?
It's awesome.
Pretty cool, huh? What do you think? Is it a good place for a kid's birthday party down here?
It's good.
Absolutely. We had
The Christmas tree.
yeah, it's made out of motorcycle parts. Actually, I don't know if you,
love it.
It's all old motorcycle mufflers. We made a Christmas tree out of it. We recycled
I
it.
think we need that in our yard.
Our first party we had here was for my daughter's 15th birthday a couple weeks ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and the kids had a ball. They played ping pong and pool and stuff. And that Mototown USA sign's from behind you there is from the world's largest indoor motocross and supercross park that was right here in Connecticut, but it collapsed. It was 4 acres under a roof, and it collapsed due to snow load. $20 million building, unfortunately, but the owner gave me the sign, and we hung it up in here. Where all you guys from? You local?
No, we're from Western Mass, sir.
Western Mass?
Yeah.
You ever been to Mass Mocha before?
Yep.
So what do you think of our Christmas tree? Made out of motorcycle parts.
Yeah, that's good. That's cool stuff. That's really good.
These are all Harley Davidson mufflers, Sportster and FLH, and that's a Harley wheel there. So I thought that was pretty cool American tree.
I really like the setup down here. It really does look good.
It came out good, yeah. Down on the other end there, that's the stage for the band and then little dance floor. These paintings on here on this building were done by the 8th graders, my daughter and the Vernon Center Middle School. So we did the local town churches and then put a Harley Davidson XLCR Cafe Racer, a Yamaha 650, and then a Triumph on this one on the end. But it was a nice way to decorate the building that's actually closed. It needs to be totally restored, just like the one we just finished. But we spent like $5 million on that one. This is probably a $2 million, $3 million project. So we'll get to it eventually. Yep, under construction. $500's almost done. It's looking beautiful. Nice job, boys. What's left to do on it?
It's done.
High compression, big bore, SR 500. Can't wait to test ride this thing. Go ahead and put it in the trailer. Doc, bring it down and put it in the trailer if it's done. The Jimmy Ellis special is under construction here. Wow, the 175 is really shaping up. Looking good. Marzocchi shocks, gold chain, rebuilt motor. That's a cool piece.
It's on my 400.
You like that? Billy's pulling apart this 250 here. What do you got there?
DT250, right, Ian?
We're sending this out to our friend Eric Silverio, who's world-class painter. He's going to paint the tank and
Headlight ears?
Headlight ears.
Headlight shell, side covers, oil tank.
Yep, it's going to be awesome. Looking forward to that. So yeah, we outsourced the painting to this guy in Rhode Island, Eric Silverio. Phenomenal painter. He just returned 4 tanks today. Sometimes this guy does the painting, but we don't have a paint booth here yet, so he's got to take it to his friend's paint shop. He did the Daytona 400 and both the Can-Ams. And what other ones did you do?
Did the Kawasaki.
The Z900 came out beautiful.
Obviously the RD400.
The Daytona
A whole bunch of
Special.
other odds and ends, fenders, stuff like that we've done since I've been here. So I like to think it all came out.
This IT's coming out primo.
Nice bike.
Yeah, fun to ride too. Eric's got the Screaming Eagle here. How's the Screaming Eagle coming out? Actually, this is American Eagle because Ronnie Mack's got the Screaming Eagle. Yeah. This is American Eagle. And if anybody knows Ronnie Mack, tell him Captain America wants a race.
It's coming for you.
Coming for you, son. On the American Eagle.
Okay. We do have a couple more. You send a bike wherever it may be. They look at him, they know his history and what he's got going on here, and they trust him. And
It's different than the Harley Davidson.
Say that again. So you guys came from where?
Western Mass.
And it was his birthday, right? And that was your birthday present coming to the museum, huh? Well, you're getting the special tour. We're going to show you the service department and everything.
All right.
The full Monty tour. Seiko 550 just got done, and the CR 500 we just got that finished. We test riding that very soon. Can't wait. My favorite bike. Got a nice BSA 441. This was Junior's birthday present. It's not quite finished yet. He's got an Olin shock coming for it. It's supposed to be a Christmas present. And graphics. Christy's been working on the graphics, and that's my ride right there. That's my 500. It's not that's not finished yet either. It's still under construction. But we're gonna have them ready for this season. That's a sand tire. We didn't cut any corners on these bikes, that's for sure. These are top shelf and everything. The only thing it doesn't have is the hubs. We wanted to order hubs for it, but they're on back order.
So much better.
Eric just hooked this up.
Oh my God. This is
What's happening, Eric?
Hey!
Nice job.
I was
Nice
just
job.
taking pictures of my work.
Yeah,
Right?
nice.
Taking pictures of me taking pictures of my work.
You know something? He did a beautiful job. This is the KLR. This was my lowest self-esteem KLR 650. I called it because it had what color would you call the fenders? They were like almost like a mauve, like a faded mauve, purple.
Yes.
So is common with this year at KLR. So
faded
Eric,
pink.
yeah, they're horrible. As a matter of fact, Christy did not want to ride that bike. I told her, well, hold on, honey, wait till it's done. And that's the Husky 360 Cross, and that's our ATK tank that he just restored. So nice job, Eric.
Thank you, sir.
He's doing some beautiful work for us. Yeah, that's my Captain America CR 500.
28, I know that.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one.
As we know.
God works all things for good. Yeah, that was a beautiful piece.
yeah, it's scary. We not a lot of people ride away from here, but when I was at